Hello, welcome to my channel Math in Short. This is Miss Susan and today's topic is about equivalent fraction. What is the equivalent fraction? If I have one bar of chocolate and I want to divide it to two equal pieces and I took one part of it, this means one part out of two. In another naming, it's called half. The same bar of chocolate I divided to four equal pieces and I took the same part as the previous one. This called 1 over 4 and 1 over 4, 2 over 4 in all. If the same bar I divided to 8 equal pieces and I took the same part, which is equal 4 parts out of 8 or 4/8. This means I have different fractions, but it has the same value. Look here to the same size, 1 over half. 1 over 2, which is half, is equal to 2 over 4, which is 2/4, and equal 4 over 8. And that's what it calls equivalent fraction. So in all, for one fraction, we have like millions of equivalent fractions. Have a look. 1 over 2 is equal to 2 over 4, is equal 3 over 6, is equal 4 over 8, is equal 5 over 10, equal 6 over 12, equal 7 over 15, equal 8 over 16, and so on. What are the equivalent fractions then? Fractions that name the same amount are equivalent fractions. Like here, 3 over 8, which is 3 parts from 4 in all, has the same amount as this fraction with it, which is 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts out of 8. The next question is how to create an equivalent fraction. By multiplication, multiply both of denominator and numerator by same number. Note, multiply any number from your choice. For example, if you love to multiply by 2, you can use multiplying by 2 up and down or by the numerator and denominator to get your favorite equivalent fraction. So, if I want the equivalent fraction for 1/3, so multiply 1 times 2 is equal to 3 times 2 is equal 6. And that's your favorite equivalent fraction. If you love to multiply by 3, so multiply up and down by 3. So 1 times 3 is equal 3, and 3 times 3 is equal 9. And that's your favorite equivalent fraction. Multiplying by 4. If you love to multiply the equivalent fraction, the fraction with 4, to get the equivalent fraction, multiply up and down by 4. So 1 times 4 is 4, 3 times 4 equals 12. If you prefer to multiply by 5, so multiply up and down by 5. 1 times 5 is equal 5, and 3 times 5 is equal 15, and so on. The last question is, how can we know that the two fractions are equivalent? For example, 2 over 3 or 2/3 and 12 over 18. Are they equivalent or not? Wait with me. If the number that we multiply up is the same number that we multiply down, so they are equivalent. So, ask in the numerator here. 2 times what will give me 12? Use timetable 2. So 2 times 6 is equal to 12. And 3 times what will give me 18? Use timetable 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So it is 6 fingers. So it is 6. So we multiplied the numerator by 6 and also the denominator by 6. That means they are the same number. I multiplied up is the same number I multiplied down, and this means the two numbers are equivalent. Look to the other example. 3/5 and 15 over 20. Ask the numerator. 3 times what will give me 15? It's 3 times 5. But 5 times what? Will give me 20. Use timetable 5. It will give me 5 times 4 will give me 20. So are they equal? No. I multiplied the numerator here by 5, but the denominator I multiplied by 4. They are not equal. So the both fractions aren't equivalent. Thank you. I hope that you liked my video. Please follow and subscribe.